Biopharma is undergoing a revolution. New treatment categories like cell and gene therapies are offering incredible promise for patients, but manufacturing them presents unique challenges. Autologous therapies that use the patient's own cells or tissues to fight disease are a game changer in medicine. But this approach requires a new kind of manufacturing. Instead of batch production, each treatment is now individualized. It requires extracting material from the patient, processing that material at a GMP facility, and delivering it back quickly and safely. With high stakes, every delay or error can have serious consequences. Yet the potential is enormous. The market for autologous therapies is booming and is already projected to reach $45 to $60 billion by 2027. Success here hinges on efficient, scalable manufacturing, and quality is crucial. Nuvolo's digital alignment of manufacturing and quality solution, or DAMQ, ensures close collaboration between manufacturing and quality control. DAMQ provides real-time asset visibility and scheduling so you can reserve equipment and track its performance for each unique therapy. Automatic notifications and performance insights help avoid delays and ensure optimal production.